Hello students, let's move for the next topic in the lesson, First War of Indian Independence. Today we have to know about the administrating causes for the First War of Indian Independence. This is also known as 1857 revolt or the Sipahi mutiny. Okay, administrating causes in the sense they have implemented some laws. Okay, administrating, which are all the laws implemented, and that comes under this. Yes, the British implemented the new civil and criminal laws. New civil and criminal laws for the Indians to follow. Only for Indians, these are all. Not for the British to follow. Only for whom? Only for Indians. Which are all those rules? The new civil and criminal laws. So these people did not, these new civil and the criminal laws what are there, they are very crueltic. Okay, crueltic in the sense ಕ್ರೂರವಾಗಿದ್ದು, because they have implemented only for the Indians. No, they are very crueltic. So that's why these what they have implemented, the new civil and the criminal laws, people did not like this. Okay, people started to revolt against the British, against the new civil and the criminal laws what are implemented by the British. That is the one thing. And the British made the English as a court language. Okay, English became the court language here. So this English, most of the common people didn't understand the English, because by that time many of the Indians are illiterates, and a very few people they are completed their higher education and they know English. But the others, even every arguments and every judgment is also took place in the English only. So what the culprits are standing in a court, actually they didn't understand themselves what was going on there. ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ತಿದ್ದುಕೋಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪರಾಧಿನ ನಿರಪರಾಧಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಿರಪರಾಧಿಯನ್ನು ಅಪರಾಧಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಫೆಂಡರ್ನ ನಾನ್ ಅಫೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಾನ್ ಅಫೆಂಡರ್ನ ಅಫೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ English when the English became the court language, many of the common people don't understand the English. That's why the common people revolt against the British. And even the most of the judges what are this, these judges particularly they are not the Indians, because for the Indian superior post has not provided. ಯಾವುದೇ superior postಗಳನ್ನು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So this judge is the superior post. These judges basically they are the English. Okay, they are always favored to whom? Favored to the British only or English only. Who? The judges. Okay, I mean if the Indians or didn't make any mistake also, they are declared as a offender, or they are declared as a criminals, or they are declared as a culprits, like that. Okay, so that's why most of the judges always favor to the British. So these are the administrating causes. That's why the common people revolt against the British at the time of First War of Indian Independence. These are the administrating causes. Once again I'll repeat you, note down that the British introduced the new civil and the criminal laws only for whom? Indians. So they are those criminals and the civil laws, they are very crueltic. Okay, that's why the people did not like the new laws. And the English became the court language. Many of the common people didn't understand what was going on in a judge and in a court. So that's why the common people revolt against the British. And most of the judges are favored to the British. They can declare as the non-culprits or non-offender also as offender. So that's why many of the common people revolt against the British. Okay, didn't understand that English language and everything. So that's why they revolt against the British. These are the administrating causes for the 1857 revolt. Let's know next the fourth thing is military causes. Military causes in the sense, in military mainly they are the soldiers are there. Don't get confusion students how to keep remember and everything. First, political causes in the sense related to the kingdom, administrating causes in the sense related to the administration, and economic causes in the sense related to the money, military causes in the sense related to the military or soldiers. Okay, so let us know about this military causes. So by that time, at the time of English ruling, the Indian soldiers, situation of the Indian soldier was very pathetic. Condition of the Indian soldiers were very pathetic because the British officers or the superior officers, they are giving a torture for the soldiers, more torture they are giving. Okay, and they are not provided a good salary also not provided. Even a promotion is becoming a dream, ಕನಸಾಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತು promotion ಅನ್ನೋದು. So they didn't provide any promotion, and they didn't give a good salary also. And in this also, the Indian soldiers were forced to cross the sea, ಸಮುದ್ರವನ್ನು ದಾಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ you have to serve in ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, so for a less salary only, and many of them are not interested to leave India, but they are forced to move for the England to serve there. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್. and along with that, one rumor has spread that so for the soldiers, British has provided the one gun that is called as Royal Enfield. Note down this, that is the Royal Enfield. So this only has becoming a immediate reason also in this. From here you can tell that Royal Enfield. So the rumor has spread that the bullets of the Royal Enfield, bullet in the sense gun ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ bullets, that is okay, bullets of the Royal Enfield guns were smeared means ಅದನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. okay, smeared with the fats of pig and cow, pig fat and cow fat. Okay, and the English, this is a rumor. What actually is happening, nobody know. It is one rumor in the sense ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, that is a rumor can spread the bullets of the Royal Enfield smeared with a pig and the cow and fat. So here the particularly pig is the prohibited animal in Muslim. Prohibited in the sense ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನು ತಿರಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. even they didn't have any interest in pig rearing or eating pig meat in the sense fork. okay, they didn't have any interest because it is a prohibited. Why it is a prohibited animal in the pig? Because it is eating always the dirty things, that pig. okay, that's why they has prohibited among in their caste. Pig is the prohibited animal for the Muslim, and cow, you know about that, it is a sacred animal because we are worshipping the cow, ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? So that's why here the cow fat, they want to bite the bullets. okay, to throw the bullet and everything, they want to bite it. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಚ್ಚಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಯಾರು? soldiers. So here the Indian soldiers hesitated to bite the bullets smeared with the cow fat, and the Muslim soldiers also hesitated the bullets which is smeared with the pig fat ಅನ್ನು ಕಡ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪಿಗ್ಗನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌವನ್ನು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. one Indians eat the cow meat also. I think you know about that because it is a sacred animal, but pig is here not a sacred, it is a prohibited animal. So many of the soldiers hesitate. They have rejected to use the Royal Enfield bullets. okay, and they have started when the British forced to use that Royal Enfield only and to bite that and then can use the bullet. So that's why many of the soldiers has rejected and revolt against the British because they rejected to use the Royal Enfield rifle. okay, when this up to this we can write the military causes, and the immediate causes from here we can take what is that, the rumor. okay, so this from here we can take rumor. From here So then it will continue. Immediate cause, a rumor can spread that bullets of the Royal Enfield rifle is made with the pig fat and the cow fat. Pig is the prohibited animal for the Muslim and cow fat is the sacred animals of the for the Hindus. So that's why the Indian soldiers as well as the Muslim soldiers rejected to use the Royal Enfield rifle, but when the British forced to use that rifle, by that time they has revolt against the British. By when they has revolting, the soldiers, all the soldiers revolt against the British. When they are revolting, by that time one of the soldiers of Barakpur, this is very important, one of the soldiers of Barakpur. Who was that soldier? That nothing but the Mangal Pandey. Who is that? Mangal Pandey. Keep in mind. So he is very important soldier. Okay. One of the soldiers of the Barakpur, that nothing but, who is that? Nothing but the Mangala Pandey. So he was killed, the British officer. Okay. He was killed, the British officer who Mangala Pandey. He was killed, the British officer. Who is that? By that time, so he was killed, the British officer, and when he killed the British officer, by that time British target the Mangal Pandey and arrest him, and also he was hanged him. ಅವನನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಕೊಂದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. Okay, so this was when the Mangal Pandey was hanged by the British. By that time the revolt has started, and it was the immediate reason. From their time the revolt was enraged more. Enraged means ಉದ್ರಿಕ್ತಗೊಳ್ತು. Okay, it was enraged more when the British officer killed by the Indian soldier Mangal Pandey, and the British, when the British arrested the Mangal Pandey and hanged him, by the time all the soldiers started to revolt against the British. This was the immediate reason. ಅದುವರೆಗೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕದ್ದು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಇದು ವಾರು, ಇದು ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಯಿತು, ಅಂದರೆ ಎನ್ರಾಗಡ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಪ್ರೊವೋಕ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ 1857 revolt. Hope you will understand. The military causes, once again I'll teach you. Condition of the soldiers was very pathetic. The British has given a torture for the soldiers, and they didn't provide any good salary or the promotion, and they are forced to serve in England, but many of the soldiers are not interested to serve in England. And the bullets of the Royal Enfield made by the what are smeared with the pig fat and the cow fat. Pig is the sacred prohibited animal for the Muslim, cow is the sacred animal for the Hindu. That's why they has refused to use. So this is about the military causes, and the immediate causes from here we can take, that is the bullets of the Royal Enfield is made with the pig and the cow fat. Pig is the prohibited animal for the Muslim, and cow is the sacred animal for the Hindus. So when the British forced to use that bullets of the Royal Enfield, so they has rejected, they are revolt against the British. In that revolt, the Mangal Pandey, one of the soldiers of Barakpur, Mangal Pandey, killed the British officer. And when he killed the British officer, by that time the British arrested the Mangal Pandey and hanged him. Then the revolt is unragged more. Okay, hope you will understand this. So tomorrow I'll continue the next. Thank you.